Good job. Look at you. Hey. Oh my God, did you see what he just did? He grabbed from the sofa to the chair.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're all proud of yourself, aren't you?
He's been shooting. Oh.
You see him?
He's been shooting
Now
like
where are we
one
going
stuff.
to, huh? Where are you going to now?
Wonder, is this microwave safe?
Yep.
Just wondering
you
if
are.
it happens.
Oh, you're getting frustrated. All right.